Chilla7 says, can you show me how you thread your needles? Yes, I can. I'm about to do it. So look at this, Chillo. So I take my thread, single strand or double strand, doesn't matter. I'm wrapping the thread over the needle here. Can you see that? And just pinch it really tight and slide the needle away. So the thread is still inside here between my fingers. And all I'm doing is just place the eye over this bit. Can you see that, how easy it is? Sliding through. Done. I'll do it again with the different colors. This color will be easier to see. So this is my thread here. So I just wrap the thread over my needle around the eye, doesn't matter, and just pinch really hard and then slide the needle away. And the thread is right there. You need to pinch hard. The flatter your thread is, the easier it is. And then I'm just placing the eye of the needle over. Done. So if you practice, you can do this like within half a second. Make sense?